Paris Fashion Week just finished and I got inspired by Issey Miyake collection and decided to recreate this look with gray, red and black colors with Modelones gel polishes coming up.
That's good.
Hey guys, Anastasia here, and I just realized it's been a while after I did some nail art on this channel, so let's do this now. First, I will buff the surface of the nail so it will be all matte and smooth, and it will be easier to apply any color. So this is what we have now, square shape medium length nails. And first let's apply the color. So I will use this one, Dancing Cinderella, as the background. I already did unpacking and some nail art with the gel polishes from this collection by Modelones, and even though the size of the bottle is pretty small, just 6 milliliters, the brush is still big enough to do the application even on long nails. And most colors are pretty intense. As you can see, even after first coat, the gray looks pretty. But I think I'm going to add the second one anyways, because once you add it, the color will be more like violet gray. I think it looks even better. Do not forget to fully cure the first coat after you apply it, then apply the second coat and cure it for 30 seconds in LED as well. Now let's start with the design. I will use a Midsummer Rose, which is red color. A drop about this size will be definitely enough for the design I'm going to create for all 10 nails. A common mistakes nail technicians do when doing a hand painting with gel polishes is taking too much color. If you will take too much, then the color might not fully cure or wrinkle, and also the design will be kind of like a 3D. So it is always better to pick the colors that are intense enough and will allow you to create an intense design like that. So I will create another red line right here. So this is thumb, so I will fully cure it. But now I'm going to create design on these 4 nails, and I'm not going to cure every single one because it will take a while. And also I would like to see the whole picture on all 5 nails. Maybe I would like to change something, make some adjustments. Just do not forget to tell your client to sit still and quiet until all the colors are cured. The dress of that model was more like abstract, but still you can see that the lines are like going through all of the fabric. So that's why on a pinky I will do 2 lines kind of like put together. And honestly, doing an abstract design like that is probably one of my favorite ways of doing nail art, because you can do whatever you want. Now we will take a black lava, which is black color, and this color is great. I mean, it's very intense and it will allow you to create even the thin lines, and they will be very dark and black. That's why you should be careful and avoid taking too much color on the brush. So I will duplicate the red line, but it will look a little different. So I'm not just going to outline every single red line with a black one. Instead, I'm going to complement it, and sometimes it will be on top of red, sometimes it will be on the bottom. So we're not going to create a shade or something like that. This is just another black line which may differ in thickness and in shape. If you are struggling with creating thin lines, then I recommend you to try it with different brushes and do not press on your brush too much. This is the key of creating a very thin, elegant lines. Now let me show you. So you pick up the color and you simply move your brush, and if you want your line to be thinner, then you simply let it go. Now after the design, the brush is all in color, so you can take the top coat, a little drop of the clear top coat, and now you can wash the brush in it. I strongly do not recommend using acetone, as it will dry up and mess up the bristles, and water will not be really helpful here. So top coat is one of the best ways to wash your brush, and now it's fully clean and you can put it away and use for the new nail art, and do not worry that any black color will be in it. Now let's seal everything with the top coat that comes in a kit as well. I was thinking of doing these nails matte, but no, I think it looks better when it's glossy. Cure for 30 seconds in LED, and here we go. The design is pretty simple, and yet I think it looks cool and elegant, and honestly, the color combination of gray and red is definitely one of my favorites. I will leave all the links in the description box. I definitely recommend you to try Modelones gel polishes if you're looking for something to create nail art or just for one color application. Let me know, what do you think? Does these nails match the outfit of the model? And if you would like to see how this set was created, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you will not miss the next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye!